Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for specific items total using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on the Add a New Condition button. Select the Specific Items Total option. Now set the Hide If More Than field to $200. Remember, when you select a specific item total, you'll also need to add another condition like product, collection, product tag, or variance. This means the total amount will be calculated from specific product, collection, product tag, or variance. For this video, we will add another condition by clicking the Add a New Condition button, and from the available options, we will select the Product option and enter Snow Bear in the Product field. Now give it a rule name for your reference. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see the desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. This means that if someone adds more than $200 Snow Bear products to their cart, their standard shipping will automatically hide. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the standard shipping option is gone. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!